You really want to go to jail or you want to leave?
Why am I getting arrested?
He told
We have enough patrol cars to arrest anybody for trespassing.
Please do it.
I'm gonna ask you one more time. Please, one more time. Just leave.
We're trying to wait to see what's going on.
that's the last warning. Exit the building.
We ain't leaving, and she'll leave.
A bar fight, a missing phone, and a night that ended with 3 people in handcuffs. This is the story of what happened at Jolly Rogers, a waterfront bar in Morgan County, Missouri, on the night of May 25, 2025. What started as a normal night of drinking turned into a full-blown brawl, a group refusing to leave, and multiple arrests caught on camera. We'll show you exactly how it unfolded, from the surveillance footage of the fight itself to the police body cam of the arrests. This is Jolly Rogers.
Hey guys.
You guys have not been a good customer.
Why? I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you. You have not been a good customer. Why are there customers? There's a lot of these. Come on, senor. Tell me why. Everybody gets intoxicated here.
Why? Everybody is. This man is not intoxicated. None of these people are intoxicated.
Because they're working.
I don't even recognize that the girl's in there. I look on the ground, the girl's on the floor by herself. Okay, that's weird. What the fuck is she doing in this bathroom? So, basically this one, the other one ran out to go dance with Tommy after, okay? Then,
What am I doing?
I come in, I hear a man speaking as I'm about to walk out, right?
No, but all we want to know is we want to see the surveillance. Yeah. We want to know who stole our phones or our wallets.
Guys,
Listen,
What's your name?
how do we know that? How do we know who stole our phones and our wallets? That's all I want to know.
Basically, okay. So I don't have my
Don't touch me.
Oh no, I didn't mean to touch it. I'm sorry. I don't have my phone on my
What's wrong is we just, all 5 of us hauled down here because people are acting immature.
We waited on you. They're getting beat up. The thumbs left on the boat. What do you think they did?
Don't know.
I know.
Dude, I don't have a phone or a wallet or even. Look at me. I'm a woman. You don't have to look at him. Okay?
I can't believe you guys are acting like this. Let's go over there and stand and talk to the fella. Because that's all he wants to talk to is talk to you.
You and I.
Okay, yes, sir.
Again, we are not the people who fled. There's a reason why we did not flee.
No. Sure. I won't know until I get home. I'll have to check.
And I
They knocked me on
will
my chair
admit
3
that.
times.
Look at that.
This is insane. It's insane. It was their fault.
According to the Morgan County Sheriff's Office incident report, deputies were told that a fight broke out and that the group involved fled the bar by boat. One woman, later identified as Nicole Kaskin, was accused of starting the disturbance and continuing to cause problems with staff afterward. But the group insisted they were the victims, claiming their phones and wallets had been stolen during the chaos. The owner of Jolly Rogers said he wasn't even at the bar when it happened. But his employees told a different story, saying it was this same group who caused the fight in the first place. As deputies tried to sort out what happened, the group grew increasingly agitated, more concerned with finding their missing phones and wallets than answering questions.
So, I don't know a whole lot other than it came into chaos for the first time in 19 years. We've never had a problem. It was a really good band. Was it? Yeah. I think it might have brought out the best in some people. Or the worst. That's all I know. She's the... But anyway, I just wanted to come thank you for your time.
I will say,
Fancy seeing you. Yeah, is this the owner?
to highly intoxicated.
I don't know. He didn't say anything about it.
Some of these guys got beat up by other group of guys. I mean, this group, is this the group that assaulted the staff?
I don't think so.
I will admit,
He's got blood all over his mouth, the guy in the wheelchair. I don't know.
The guy who punched me in the face with my hands are in my pocket.
Where is he at?
He left on the boat.
and we also
They got
have
video of
a
it.
surrender.
He's probably got my wallet and my phone because that was stolen at the same time.
You got the second? You got a second? Sure. They just talked to her. She's been with them all night long. This has been through problems.
Basically, this one.
What do you want to do with this guy? Because he seems like he's being kind of a pain.
Then.
What am I doing?
I'm not looking to prosecute anybody.
You ain't gonna argue with me. You can argue with him, but you'll end up in handcuffs. You will end up in handcuffs.
No, all we want to know is we want to see the surveillance.
Listen, guys.
So, well, we're not.
Listen.
What's your name, dude? Joe. Okay.
Okay. So I don't have my
Don't
phone.
touch me and don't.
Oh no,
touch
I
me.
didn't. I didn't mean to touch you. I'm sorry. I don't have my phone on my wall.
What's wrong is we just all 5 of us hauled down here because people are acting immature.
Good, thank you.
We waited on you. They're getting beat up.
We were waiting
Who else
on you.
left on the boat? What do you think they did?
Now you're looking
Don't
at
know.
us like we're the
Dude, I don't have a phone or a wallet or even. Look at me. I'm a woman.
You don't have to look at him. Okay.
Go over there, ma'am.
We are not the people
Let's
who
go over there and
fled.
stand and talk to the fella.
Okay.
Because that's all he wants to talk to is
Right.
talk to you.
You and I talk.
Okay, yes, sir.
Let's go over here and talk.
Yes, sir. Oh, sorry, man.
Okay. So give me an idea of what happened.
Okay. That girl there was sick. She went
This
in the
one right
bathroom. She's in there for an hour. The other girl in the lower jacket is in there helping. That's
What's your
what
name?
happened. My name's Tim.
Tim,
Christian,
okay.
if you need to know it. I'll
know.
give you my ID, but they stole my wallet and my phone.
Who did?
I don't know. They'll have it on video surveillance. They stole my wife's phone too. So neither one of us getting my phone. I know. That's what everybody keeps telling me. So I go over. I'm in the men's bathroom. I come out. Some guys don't fit, which he ran off. He's in a Jolly Rogers vest, but they say he don't work here. But he may not. I don't know nothing about that. But you'll see it all. You'll see it all on video. So we're standing there. There's a bunch of middle-aged guys, about way younger than us. I'm 50-something, but they're 30-something. And they're all mad because some woman comes out and there's a girl down there. And I'm just saying. Altercation, not necessarily an altercation, but discussion. And I don't know, I'm sitting there and I get punched in the head by some, well, you can see.
What started the fight, though?
That, right there, that guy punching me in the head.
But
And
why
then
did he punch you, though?
Because he was mouthing because his girlfriend's in the bathroom and those girls were going up. And I'm like, there's a girl sick in there. And he was mad because Bill, which is the girl's husband, walked in there.
This guy right
Yeah,
here?
he walked in there to kid her out, take her home. He got mad because there was a man in the bathroom or whatever, threw a fit. And that's literally what happened, and then it all escalated from there. You'll see it all on video.
Well, the problem with video.
But
is
I want to
you-
know
you
who
can-
stole my
you can-
wallet.
You can
who
see
stole
what
my-
happened, but you can't identify people by.
You can't buy video. How?
Well, no.
These people.
Unless
Everyone
they have,
knows
unless
that.
they have copies
These
of
guys,
unless they have copies of their IDs.
Their bouncers were involved in it all. One guy was holding him down when he's getting punched in the head, and he apologized for it. He's like, "Man, I didn't know what was going on." Blah blah. I think it was actually this fellow right here.
No, he did. He
No, he
apologized.
apologized. He's like, "I wouldn't have held you down, but I didn't know what was going on." And,
He's
like, I didn't
realize you were trying to protect your brothers.
oh, I was just going to the men's. When it escalated, I was going. Yeah, with my hands in my freaking pocket. I didn't even get me, but I get hit in the head by some guy, and then he runs off and gets on his boat.
What kind of boat was it?
I have no idea. I mean, they were down. They were actually down towards the end.
We got water patrol coming up.
But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. If I just get my phone in my wallet, I wouldn't even necessarily care. But I mean, I'm kind of.
How did they end up getting your wallet? Oh, it was
Well,
on
when
the
I'm
table.
getting beat up.
And
I
you
didn't
sure
have
it's
it
not
in
laying
my-
around here?
No, it's not. My wife's phone, my wallet was there. Her phone, my phone, and my wallet.
So did they take her phone too?
Yeah. So we don't even have a way to call, which we can get around how much around because the handicapped guy got beat up.
So you don't have any way to. You don't have iPhones?
I don't know. Oh, no, they're iPhones. And I can probably, when I get home, take one of my kids' phones and try.
Right, that's what I was wondering, yeah.
By now it was after midnight, and the bar owner wanted the group gone. Deputies gave them a choice: leave or be arrested for trespassing. But instead of leaving, tensions kept rising.
I think he's talking to the owner to find out what he wants to do with these people.
Okay.
Then we'll,
Am I going to send emails then? I'll just call him.
no, I don't. I wouldn't send them down here, would you?
I can send him out the parking lot.
Yeah.
I have a full agent. I drank too much.
They can't arrest him. We have to leave. That's all. Like we
I
can't
just want to
get
know
arrested.
where my phone is.
I just want my phone in my wallet. He wants his phone in his wallet.
They're just saying they were trespassing.
Who took all
Asking
those?
if we want to be trespassing, meaning you can't come back. Like he didn't come back.
My phone and my glasses are all on mine.
This kind of fucking warm welcome with I'm an elevator this bitch.
And that my friend in a wheelchair has got a bloody lip that's like bleeding
So it's
on
my
his shirt.
husband.
That's a bunch of
Says she about their mouth.
Hey, can I have the floor just for a second, please? And please don't interrupt me. We have enough patrol cars to arrest anybody for trespassing.
Let's do it.
Oh. They're asking?
You can ask us to leave.
Do it.
What's going to happen is he's going to trespass everybody. You can leave everybody. I'm not here to argue. Shut up. I don't have the patience.
I mean,
I'm saying he wants you to leave. So let all this
Are you?
Say to me.
Are you?
I don't have a phone or a wallet. Nor does my
Guys,
husband
I'm
or
going to
my
ask you
friend.
one more time. Please, one more time. Just leave.
We're trying to wait to see what's going on.
That's the last warning. Exit the building.
Him, her.
You really want to go to jail or you want to leave?
Why am I getting arrested?
He told y'all to leave 3 times now.
We ain't leaving, and she'll leave.
we're
She
patient
ain't worried
here
about
right
that.
now, though.
But how do we press
I don't
charges
have my
against
phone.
somebody who punched you in the
You'll
head?
have-
Who stole your phone and stuff? How do we?
Yeah, phones
We
were
will work on
gone.
that.
Who do we call?
I think that's the
We will work on that.
Who do we talk to?
We will
Is
get
there
a hold
a?
of
Do
it.
you have a card or something?
Give me your card.
That's all I want to know. Who?
I need your card too.
I ain't got a card.
Deputies say they gave the group multiple warnings to leave. They didn't. What happened next was caught entirely on camera.
He
The highway
does.
patrol guy.
All right, you're super entitled, and I need you to chill.
I am entitled. I lost my phone and my wallet.
I don't care.
They stole
Really?
phones over here.
No, I don't.
I get it.
So you need to exit the
don't
building
get it,
now,
though.
or everybody's going to jail.
There's multiple
Promise.
Take me.
phones. They left.
Okay, turn around.
The next one that's getting arrested is the next one that doesn't.
I'm super entitled. I never said I didn't want to leave.
I gave you multiple chances.
No, you didn't.
I told you I don't have the patience to sit here and
Because I
argue.
don't have a phone and my wallet was stolen and I'm getting arrested.
Yep.
You can go ahead and lock them now.
Please, let's walk this way where there's not a big step.
Okay. You can unlock me now.
No, we're going to jail.
I lost my phone.
I
and my
understand
wallet.
that, and I gave you multiple chances to leave. Said
No, you
we'd talk
didn't. You
about that
did-
later.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Let's go.
You didn't. Dude,
Watch your step.
Stop it.
Let's
Like,
go.
I didn't have.
Let's go.
Stop. Just
Let's
stop.
go.
Just stop. Dude, stop. Okay, let's stop. I was literally in the bathroom with the girl that was kicking, trying to help her get out of that.
I believe you.
And then I
But
lost
when
my
I gave you
phone
multiple
and-
chances to leave after I told you guys you were
Dude,
trespassing,
I
you
was
didn't.
just trying to get my phone and my wallet. Why are you arresting me?
You asked for it.
No, I didn't. I asked you to. Okay, let's stop right here.
Nope. We can talk later.
Where? You realize I'm an RN and I do this, and I was in the bathroom trying to help the girl that was puking her off. Do you realize that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you charging with? Exactly.
Let's have a seat.
No.
Have a seat, or give
Tell
me
me
another
what-
charge.
Okay, but just
Hop
tell me.
in.
Tell me what you're charging.
I will in a minute. Hop in.
Just tell me now
Hop
before I
in.
get in. Tell me before I get in.
Trespassing. Hop in.
Will you please just unlock me?
You've got 5 seconds to get in, or I'm going to pepper spray you.
Will you please just unlock
No.
me? Just please
Get
don't pepper spray me, and please
Okay,
don't.
so get in. Put your feet in the car.
I lost my phone.
I understand
my
that.
husband, just unlock me.
No.
Why are you?
Nicole Kaskin wasn't the only one arrested that night. As deputies moved to detain her, her stepped in, and things escalated further.
We're leaving.
Don't touch my partner.
I did not touch him. Did you see me touch him?
Yes.
No.
Did you lay hands on anybody?
No, he's not laying no hands on
Your
nobody.
wife
We're
is getting
leaving.
arrested right now.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
No, don't arrest her. What's the point? Because of what?
She asked
She's
for it.
ready
She
to
said she
leave.
didn't want to leave.
But we're
Ricky,
not
she's
asking.
leaving.
Take her to a car.
Don't arrest her, sir.
All
Sir,
right.
then he-
Next person
All
that's
she
getting,
wanted was-
the next one that's getting arrested is the next one that doesn't leave this building.
No, can I get your card though?
I
You
gave
were
her
giving
one.
me- Okay.
Will you give us one?
Are she really
No,
getting
like, my
arrested? What's she
glasses
getting
are missing
arrested
and my
for?
phone is-
She refused to leave, and you are too. So
No, I'm ready to
You're about
leave.
to go.
No, I
Exit.
wanted a
See that
car.
sign up there?
I'm not refusing to leave, but I am asking.
Then you better
what-
start walking.
But what do I do
You
about my
better start
missing
walking.
phone and my glasses?
Keep walking.
I'm asking for public
Okay. Are you
service
pushing
to
a
help
woman?
me.
You're going to.
I'm walking this way. Why?
Yep.
I was walking this way.
What am I doing? What am I doing?
Can I keep walking?
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm walking that way.
Too late. When we say now's the time.
But I'm walking that direction that he told me to walk. Does everybody have this on
You got a
video?
double lock.
Good, because I'm walking this way.
You're walking to the car, you're going to jail.
I'm trying to. He asked me to walk this way, and I was asking what to do about my phone and missing glasses.
Court documents state William Arnold had to be physically held back as he approached deputies, showing what officers described as fighting indicators. He was placed under arrest shortly after.
Did you not ask me to walk this direction? Did you ask me to walk this direction? And I was. And then from there, instead of just letting me walk, you handcuffed me.
Okay.
So what exactly am I handcuffed for?
You're going to jail for trespassing.
But I said
They
that
asked
I
you
was,
3 times to leave, and you
and
didn't.
I was walking the direction
Okay.
you asked me to walk. And I asked you what to do about reporting my missing phone and glasses.
Well, you'll have all that opportunity. Keep walking.
Okay. So see, I keep going the direction that you asked me to go.
Yep, and we're still
Yet
going that
you
way.
are still doing the things that you shouldn't be doing
Okay.
because I am complying.
Okay.
Are you asking me to stop? And are we going forward?
Yep.
Even though I move forward like you asked me to move, this is fun.
Turn your head to the left. Turn your head to the left.
That's not a big deal.
I want my I want my damn money back. I am getting in. I'm trying to, hello. You gonna steal my money?
Okay.
You got 3 for trespassing?
Yeah.
Nicole Kaskin was charged with trespassing, disturbing the peace, and resisting arrest. Katina and William Arnold were each charged with first-degree trespassing and disturbing the peace. William faced an additional charge of resisting arrest. The Arnolds were held on $5,000 bond each. Kaskin's bond was set at $10,000. All 3 were released the following day after posting bond. The case has since been closed.